Okay, so we're gonna fly our drone. So I'm gonna explain. So we're gonna go through here, through the door, through the hall, and through the hall into the living room. And you see we made this big thing made out of cups, and we're trying to make the drone land in that very circle. It's tiny. But I made this whole thing out of cups all by myself. So Sophia, do you think we're gonna do it?
Yeah!
Do you think we're gonna do it?
No sé, vamos a ver.
Here we go.
Okay, ¿listo?
Daddy,
¿Y qué pone pausa?
Okay, so this is the drone controller, and this is how we're gonna be driving it. And that's the drone that we're gonna be using. The red is front, and the black part is backwards. But this is the cool part. There's a camera on it, so on our other videos we could do this. Okay, so we've got to turn it on.
Daddy, let me go to the car.
Okay.
Then we have to turn it on. Okay, and now I've got to take the wheel. It's gonna fly in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, first one. We're having some hard times, but we can get through. We're going to the hallway. And now it's pretty loud, but it's right there now. Okay, it's trying to go back, and this is going so crazy. Okay, don't go into the bathroom. Okay, oh no. Oh no, life is going sad. Life is going sad.
Okay, pause.
Okay, try number 2, and I hope this works. Please work. Okay, I'm gonna take it from here now. Okay, now I have the wheel, and we're trying to do better. Well, I'm trying to do better, and I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's up. Here it is. Don't go that way. Oh no, I'm going the wrong direction. Okay, I got it through there. Okay, now it's up high, so it's pretty loud again. Now it's up on the ceiling. Please don't. Okay, now I'm controlling it some ways. Okay, I'm going the right way, and I hope I don't get it through the kitchen again. Okay, so we're getting to the cups now, and I hope I do not knock it down. And I hope I do not knock it down. Okay. Oh no. Okay, why am I controlling it wrong? Oh no. Okay, I'm going right already.
Daddy, don't leave. Daddy, don't leave.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get it through the cup hole. Okay, my dad gave me some stuff that I should do. Sophia, you better run. This is going chaos. No! 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 Life is pretty sad. This is what I did, and it's all gone. Goodbye, world. That was sad. That was a fail getting it through the hole and made a big mess. Okay, well, thank you for watching this video. And Sophia, say bye.
Bye.